Question 5 is an old style exam question from sort of 2005-6 that you were guided through everything so nicely. You were asked to think about tan squared here, and you know that tan squared is sec squared x take away 1. So when we've got two of those, I've got 2 sec squared x take away 2 plus 5 sec x take away 10 equals 0, which clearly goes to show that. Then we'd factorise this thing here, so factorising this, and I think as it's to show that, I would want to do this factorising. So I've got 2 sec x and sec x. I've got to have the two things that multiply together to give 12, so I've got 4 and 3, and I want plus 12, because that will get me an 8 here, and the 8 take away the 3 makes the 5. That tells me that sec x is equal to, from the first one, 3 over 2, and from the other one, sec x equals minus 4, and flip those, so cos x equals 2/3, and cos x equals minus 1/4. Now we can use our calculators to figure out what they are, and so let's do the inverse cos of 2/3. The inverse cos of 2/3 gives us that x here would be, are we in radians or degrees? We need to be in degrees mode. Change to degrees, and then just replay the question there. So x is 48.2, and 360 minus that, it gives us 311.8. And from the other one, x is equal to, so the inverse cos of minus 1/4 is 104.5, and 360 minus answer is 255.5. Of course, they're all the answers for x. We haven't got an x here, we've got a theta plus 60. So theta plus 60 is all of these answers. So theta is all of those answers take away 60. So most of those we can do pretty quickly. Most of those just going to be, that one there is no good, but that one there, so it's going to get 100 and, we're going to get, sorry, just have a think. Sorry, just having a think. So look, that one take away 60. I'll show you what we do. So I've got my 48.2, take away the 60, would give me this number here, which isn't in the right range. So I'm going to go through the whole cycle there to see what it is at the end. And the one at the end is, so that's 348.2. That's where that one goes. This one here I'm just going to take away 60 from. So taking away 60 from that one there is 251.8. Here I'll just take away 60, so that's 44.5. And here I'll just take away 60, so that's 195.5.